Good day everybody, my name is Quentin Rep and I'm a South African website designer and graphics designer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a brand new user on your WordPress website. So guys, if you guys want a brand new website for yourself, go into the description of this video and get into contact with me. Have a great day, let me show you. So the first thing you want to do is once you've logged onto your WordPress with your own user, with that administrator username, if you don't know how to log into your WordPress website, guys, go check out my previous video. I did post exactly how to do that. And then you want to log in and you're going to get to the dashboard over here. This is the WordPress dashboard. On the sidelines over here, you'll see your website on the top there. You can visit your site, your dashboard, home updates, and this little menu happening on the side on your left-hand side over here. Then you want to go down to users. Once you're down to users, you want to go to all users and click on it. Your user list will be shown over here and you want to say add new. Before you add new, something very important to do, guys, is I want you guys to open up a WordPad next to it, because that password, you're going to make it quite complicated and you don't want to lose that password. So the username, you can pick the username. I always use my email address. I found that when using your email address, people don't lose it that easy. X3Web.co.za. Next, I want to copy that, say copy, and I want to paste here. My first name is Quentin. Guys, if I'm going too fast on these videos, please let me know in the comments. Last name is Rep. I'm going to put it over here. And then my website is www.x3web.co.za. Okay, so then it's going to say generate password. That's your password over here. Now, this point here, you want to take out your WordPad. Copy your username over here. So let's copy the username and paste it. And then obviously, like, let's go to the next line and copy your password and let's Control V and paste it over here. I want to move this to one of my other screens. If you don't have an other screen, don't stress. Okay, so I'm moving that to my other screen, and then here you can say send user notification. I always send a user notification to let a user know that he has been added. And you can pick, do you want this user to be a SEO editor, a SEO manager, a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator? Depending on what plugins and so on you use, or what plugins you've got on your website, the different types of users you can create will differ. I want to say add new user. Once you've added a new user, the new user will get an email and you'll actually be able to log in with these details from that point onwards. Then from here, you want to go edit, and then you can pick, or you can say visual editor, disable the visual editor when writing. You don't have to, my God, that's your choice. I like the light theme, or actually I like the modern theme, to be honest with you guys. You can put keyword shortcuts, you can choose toolbars, you can say language, your role. I've put my role as a subscriber. You see, I want to be administrator, so let's put it over there as an administrator. My first name, second name, nickname, display name. So display name is kind of important, because when the user put blog post, it's going to say the blog post has been added by this user. So that whatever user you put, whatever display name you put here, that is what the people will see. And then obviously you can fill in all of these if you really want to, but it's not necessary. Like a necessity. Update user, and voila, you're done. Then your new user will be able to log onto your WordPress site. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and if you guys want a website, guys, get into contact with me. Let X3Web create a professional website for you. Have a great day.